Albert Einstein once said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning." He never did. And maybe that's what made him a genius. So ask questions. Stay curious. And keep looking up. Einstein died in 1955 at age 76. But his legacy? Still alive. We use his ideas today in GPS, in astronomy, in quantum physics. We understand black holes thanks to him. We measure time differently in space because of him. After his death, a doctor stole his brain. Scientists studied it, hoping to discover the source of his genius. But maybe it wasn't his brain. Maybe it was his spirit. His endless curiosity. His refusal to accept the ordinary. His courage to imagine the impossible. But who was the man behind the math? He loved music. Played the violin. He never wore socks. He hated rules and questioned authority his whole life. He married twice. Had a complicated family. And his personal life? Far from perfect. In the 1930s, Einstein fled Nazi Germany. He escaped to the US and warned President Roosevelt about Nazi atomic research. That warning helped launch the Manhattan Project. Later, he regretted it deeply. He spoke out for peace. For civil rights. For unity across nations. But he's not done. In 1915, Einstein releases his biggest idea yet. General relativity. Gravity is not just a force. It's the bending of space and time. Imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline. It sinks. Now roll a marble near it, it curves around. That's how planets move. Because space itself is curved. In 1919, his theory is proven during a solar eclipse. Light from stars bends around the sun, just like he predicted. Einstein becomes a global celebrity overnight. Fast forward to 1905. Einstein is 26. Working a boring job in a Swiss patent office. But in his free time? He's cooking up a scientific revolution. That year, he publishes 4 papers. Each one, groundbreaking. One explains light as tiny particles, not just waves. Another proves that atoms are real. A third introduces special relativity. And then, the big one. E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Translation? Matter is energy. Everything is connected. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Ulm, Germany. As a baby, he had a big, strange-shaped head. He didn't speak until he was 4. And when he did, he spoke slowly. His teachers? They thought he was lazy. Some even said he'd never succeed. But Albert wasn't stupid. He was curious. He wanted to know why things worked, not just memorize answers. At age 5, he saw a compass for the first time. The needle moved, but there was no one touching it. What force was doing that? That tiny question sparked a lifelong obsession with invisible forces. What if I told you? That time can slow down. That space can bend. And that a single equation could unlock the secrets of the universe? Sounds like science fiction, right? It's not. This is the true story of Albert Einstein. A rebel. A dreamer. A mind that changed everything.